Through this framework, 2026 becomes the year of execution at scale. In this new year, we will complete the Talanta Sports Complex, ready to host major international sporting events, including the 2027 AFCON. We will also complete the state-of-the-art Boma's International Convention Center, restoring it as a premier venue for national and international conferences and positioning Kenya as the region's hub for international events. We will accelerate the tarmacking of the 6,000 kilometers of roads already contracted and underway across the country, including the Rironi-Mau Summit Road, which will be completed and open for traffic by mid-2027. I want to state that we already have resources to undertake the feasibility study to extend that road from Mau Summit through Eldoret to Malaba, and from Mau Summit through Kericho to Kisumu to Malaba. At the same time, we will start the construction of several new highways countrywide, as I did announce in my State of the Nation address. Ladies and gentlemen, in this new year, we will also commence the construction of the Naivasha, Narok, Bomet, Nyamira, Kisumu, Malaba standard gauge railway, creating a modern transport and logistics corridor linking Kenya to East and Central Africa region. Equally, we will launch the Galana Kulalu Dam, whose contract was signed yesterday, and several others as part of the expansion of our irrigation infrastructure across the country, with the ultimate objective of bringing 2.5 million acres of land under irrigation. We will also begin the construction of a modern, world-class airport at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to anchor our nation as the aviation's capital of our region and boost our trade and tourism sectors. I've just given you a list of the things that we will do in 2026. Ladies and gentlemen,